DEKS Industries Repair Clay. They have 10 different applications that they can use their repair clay on. With this one, this is the aluminum one. They have wet surface, metal, copper, roofing and gutter, and so on and so on. So with this, we've drilled a hole in this roofing sheet. It comes in a pack of, well, one packet comes 2 bits of clay. And it appears like that in the packet. Unravel the clay. For this, since it's only a small hole, we'll only use a minimal amount of clay. Roll it around, get the plastic off. You want to roll it around in your hands, get nice and ready. Find hole, smear it in, smear it about. Make it look somewhat neat. Any excess clay, just smear away. It's very easy to move around and shape the way that you need it shaped. There we go. And with this one, it says 10 minutes cure time on the packet, but for a fully cured, it does take 24 hours. This one was done yesterday. It's a bit of copper, so they used the copper paste. Small hole, and as you can see, it's been sanded back and you can barely notice the hole. There's the hole there, and that will seal it and you'll be able to use that as normal. So yeah, DEKS Repair Clay.